In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Merchant Center Listing Schema. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So what is Google Merchant Center Listing Schema, and why would you be interested in it? Well, product schema can help your products that you sell on your WordPress e-commerce website appear here in Google search listings. You can get rich snippets. So instead of just having a text listing in the search results, you can have an image of your product show up. You could have a star review of your product show up. Google Merchant Center Listing Schema is all the good things about product schema and a little bit more.
So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. And then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page.
All right, so now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's head on over to the Post section. And we're going to scroll on down to this post that says Men's Basketball Shoes. So here we have a post that's about men's basketball shoes. I'm going to scroll down to the All-in-One SEO Settings section, and I'm going to click on the link up top that says Schema. So this post is already using product schema, but if it wasn't using any schema, we would click the big blue button that says Generate Schema, and we would select product from the various schemas that are available. There's movie, there's article, there's fact check page, there's how-to page. Product is the one we want, but since I already have product installed, I'm not going to add a second schema. So I'm going to close out of this window, and I'm going to click the little pencil icon to edit my product schema. So the way that we create Google Merchant Center Listing Schema is that we create regular product schema, but we pay special attention to some of the attributes. Things like the material of the product, the color, the pattern, the size. This is the extra information that can get pulled into Google Merchant Center and give us those rich results in extra places, like having our product show up in Google image search. So let's go ahead and thoroughly fill out our product schema. So for the name of this product, I'm going to use the post title because my post title is Men's Basketball Shoes. I'm going to use the post excerpt for the description of the product. The brand here is Nike. I've uploaded an image of the product here. The SKU is 123456789. Same for the MPN. The price is $49.99. The currency is US dollars. We have a ton of different currencies you can choose from. Price valid until is if I was running a sale, I could pick a date that this price was valid until, but I'm not. That's just the regular price. The availability is in stock. There are many options for availability. Mine is in stock. Now, these next few might not seem that important, but filling these out helps your products get pulled into Google Merchant Center. So let's go ahead and put for the material, we're going to put nylon. Color is going to be red and black. Our pattern will be custom and the size is 11. Below that, EU energy rating, not applicable for sneakers, but if this was a refrigerator or an appliance, definitely fill that out because, again, that can help with your Google Merchant Center schema. Gender, I'm going to say that these are unisex. Minimum age, well, let's say we don't carry these for children below the age of 6. Maximum age, 99. Below that, we've got some review information where you can add reviews or pull in reviews from your WooCommerce store. We got another video on this channel about review schema. Check out our YouTube channel or search the channel for that video. And below the reviews, we have shipping information. So this is also important for Google Merchant Center. If you fill out shipping information, you just increase your chances of showing up in all kinds of different places throughout the Google search experience. So let's go ahead and just do the United States for right now. There's a whole country list here, so I'm going to put in the U.S. Below that is states. If you ship to the whole country, you don't have to put in anything here. But if you do only ship to a few states, make sure to use the 2-state code. If you're in the U.S., it might be different in your country. But let's say, for example, we had a store that only ships to California, Arizona, Nevada, and Colorado. So we want to do that. We don't want to type out the word Colorado, for example, because that won't get interpreted properly by Google. Again, if you ship to the whole country, you can leave that blank. You can also do the same thing with zip codes, but only do postal codes if you don't do states. You can't use both because they would conflict with each other. The price of shipping, if you have free shipping, you can leave this as 0. Let's say our store has a flat rate shipping of $5.99. And then if you want to add more shipping destinations, just click the link here that says add another shipping destination. Again, this shipping info might seem tedious or like it's not important, but it really helps get your listings pulled in to Google Merchant Center. So when you're all done with this, all done with your shipping information and your product information, filling out everything, click the blue Update Schema button, and then don't forget to also update the page that the schema lives on. You got to update both things. So go ahead and update that page. And you're done. So that's how to create Google Merchant Center listing schema. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to edit a robots.txt file. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.